Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Morning, Miss.
How are you?
Yes.
How are you?
Hi, Miss.
Great,
You're
Miss.
fine?
Thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. Thank you for asking. Okay, before we start our lesson, I'm going to check our attendance list first. Miss mau cek dulu absennya. If I call your name, please say it out loud. You can say yes, Miss, or you can say present, Miss. Okay. Let's start with Novita and Tina. Are you here with us?
Present, Miss.
Okay, how are you, Novita?
I'm good. Thanks.
Thank you. I'm glad to hear that. Next, we have Corey Alfiani. Are you here?
Yes, Miss.
How are you, Corey?
I'm good.
You're good. Thank you. Next, Jasmine Suristia. How are you? Are you here? Jasmine, can you hear me?
Yes, Miss.
How are you?
I'm good. How
That's
about
good.
you, Miss?
I'm good. Thank you. Thank you for asking. Next, Medista Julie Purnamasari. Are you here?
Yes, Miss.
How are you, Dista?
I'm good, Miss. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, Rani Novia Liza.
Present, Miss.
How are you, Rani?
I'm good, Miss. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, Nuriski Andini Lestari.
Present, Miss.
How are you, Nuriski?
I'm good, Miss.
You're good. Nice. Next, did I call Salma Alfifa already, or are you here, Salma?
I'm here, Miss.
Okay, how are you, Salma?
I'm great. Thank you.
Thank you. That's good. That's glad to hear. Next, Chelia Pridita, are you here?
Present, Miss.
How are you?
I'm great, Miss. Thank you.
Thank you. Glad to hear. Next, Sabrina.
Yes, Miss.
How are you, Sabrina?
I'm great. Thank you for asking.
Thank you for answering. I'm glad to hear it. Next, last but not least, Rifaldo, are you here? Can you hear me? I think he sent a message. Wait a minute. Sorry, miss. My connection is really bad right now. That's all.
Yes, miss.
Oh, you can hear me?
I can hear you.
How are you?
Yes. I'm fine. I'm sorry, my connection is really bad right now.
That's okay. That's totally okay. Thank you for attending the class. Okay. I've already checked your attendance list. I'm going to lead the pray first. Kita berdoa dulu sebelum mulai. Berdoa dimulai. Berdoa selesai. Okay. So our today's lesson, we will be talking about present continuous tense, like I told you in the last meeting, kayak yang seperti Miss sudah sampaikan di last meeting kemarin. Kalau hari ini kita akan membahas tentang present continuous tense. Let me share the screen so you can see the material. Can you see the material right now?
Yes.
Can you see the PowerPoint?
Yes, yes, I can
Perfect.
see the PowerPoint.
Perfect. Let's start. Okay, before we start, I have a little quote from Federico Fedellini. The quote is, "A different language is a different vision of my life." This quote is just to start our lesson, so you guys can get a little bit motivated. Kalian bisa lebih termotivasi, dan before we start, we can have a little refreshing. Jadi kita nggak kaku, okay? Different language is a different vision of my life from Federico Fedellini. Next, present continuous tense. Before we start, what is present continuous tense? I'm going to tell you what is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense merupakan bentuk tense yang digunakan untuk menyatakan bahwa suatu aksi sedang berlangsung selama waktu tertentu pada waktu sekarang atau present. Keterangan yang digunakan itu ada now, yang artinya sekarang, right now, sekarang juga, at the moment, pada suatu saat, today, hari ini, this month, this year, this week, and this semester. Jadi present continuous tense ini suatu kejadian yang menyatakan benar-benar terjadi pada saat itu. Jika kalian pakai bahasa Inggris, jika kalian berbicara bahasa Inggris, sering menggunakan kalimat ing, contohnya eating, drinking, talking, walking, it means you guys are using present continuous tense. Berarti kalian menggunakan tenses present continuous tense. Dan present continuous tense ini digunakan untuk menyatakan hal yang benar-benar terjadi saat kalian berbicara. Contoh, for me right now, I'm teaching you. Berarti sekarang Miss lagi mengajarkan kalian. Hal yang merupakan kejadian saat ini sedang dilakukan. Itu termasuk dengan present continuous tense. Moving on. Affirmative, kita bahas dulu yang affirmative atau kata lainnya positive. Nah, we have two formulas, kita ada dua formula. Yang pertama ada to be dan ada verb. We will be discussing about to be first. Kita bahas yang to be dulu. To be, penggunaan to be ini untuk jika suatu kalimat itu terdapat kata sifat atau kata benda. Kata sifat itu apa sih, Miss? Kata benda itu apa sih, Miss? Kata sifat berarti sesuatu yang kita rasakan. For example, angry, hungry, thirsty, sleepy. Nah, itu sesuatu yang kita rasakan. Seperti haus, lapar, ngantuk, berarti itu termasuk di kata sifat. Nah, kalau kata sifat kita pakai to be. Ada rumusnya nih, ada subjeknya are, you, we, they. Bawahnya ada she, he, it. I to be-nya am, you, we, they to be-nya are, she, he, it to be-nya is. Berarti I am being disambung sama kata sifat lainnya. You are being disambung sama kata sifat lainnya. She is being disambung dengan kata sifat lainnya. Contoh, for example, my mother is angry. Bisa. Atau my mother is being angry juga bisa. Jadi untuk kata sifat di to be, kalian bisa menggunakan being, atau if you do not want to use being too, that's alright. It's still menggambarkan sedang terjadi. Masih menjelaskan bahwa suatu hal itu sedang terjadi. Kalau kalian mau pakai being boleh, nggak pakai being, that's alright. Kalau kalian pakai being untuk example pertama, berarti my mother is being angry. My mother, ibu saya. Ibu termasuk perempuan kan? Berarti termasuk di she. She artinya dia perempuan. To be-nya she is. Tambah being boleh, nggak pakai being, nggak apa-apa. Next, bawahnya contoh kedua. You are being clingy to me. Kamu nemplok terus, kamu lengket terus sama saya. Gitu. Kata sifat ya itu. Berarti you, to be-nya are, tambah being, clingy to me. Clingy-nya kata sifat. Atau kalian hapus being-nya, you are clingy to me, that's alright. Itu pasti benar. Contoh lain, saya sedang mengantuk sekarang. You can say, I am being sleepy right now, atau I am sleepy right now. Back it again. Kita kembali lagi bahwa present continuous tense menyatakan hal yang saat ini terjadi. Jika itu menyatakan hal yang besok terjadi atau sudah terjadi, you cannot use this. Ini cuma untuk kalimat yang menyatakan sedang terjadi saat ini. Oke? Itu untuk to be. Now, moving on untuk yang verb, kata kerja. Kata kerja apa, Miss? Kata kerja berarti sesuatu yang dilakukan. Contoh, makan, minum, tidur, pergi, belanja. Itu kita lakukan, termasuk di verb, kata kerja. Ini yang sering kalian gunain, contoh I'm eating, you are talking, she is drinking. Nah ini. Subjek dulu, subjek itu are, you, we, they, she, he, it ya, jangan bingung. I, you, we, they. I, saya, you, kamu, we, mereka, they, we, kami, they, mereka, she, dia perempuan, he, dia laki-laki, it, benda atau hewan. Subjek dulu, to be-nya masih kita pakai, lalu verb 1, ing. For example, kamu sedang mengendarai mobil. You are driving a car. Kalau mobil, itu mengendarainya kita pakai drive. Kalau mengendarai motor atau sepeda, kita bukan drive lagi. Karena drive itu khusus untuk mobil atau beroda 4. Nah, kita pakainya drive. Kalau motor atau sepeda, kita bilangnya ride. Jadi itu riding. Riding a bike. Riding a bicycle. Nggak bisa driving a bike, nggak bisa. Driving pasangannya car, riding pasangannya bike atau motorcycle. Berarti intinya kalau dia to be, kalau dia kata sifat, kalian bisa pakai to be, is and are, dan being. Kalau dia untuk kata kerja, to be sama verb satu ing. Eat berarti jadinya eating, drink jadinya drinking, a walk jadinya walking. Just like that. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so now in here, I have 4 questions. I will answer this. Okay. Someone just passed by. I will answer these questions. I will answer number 1 first, and then I want 3 of you guys to help me answering number 2, 3, and 4. Let me do number 1. Saya dan Chloe sedang mencari cincin ibu di dapur. Sedang terjadi nih kan? Sedang terjadi. Terus kita lihat dulu, mencari ini kata kerja atau kata sifat? Mencari sesuatu yang kita lakukan, berarti itu kata kerja. Kata kerja tadi rumusnya apa? Kalau kata kerja, kita harus pakai tuh, verb satu ing. So, saya dan Chloe, jadinya Chloe and I atau I and Chloe? Can anyone answer? Chloe and I atau I and Chloe atau Chloe and me atau me and Chloe. Ada yang bisa jawab nggak? Yang mana satu? That's okay if you make mistake. Sabrina?
Chloe and I.
Chloe and I. Oke, kenapa Chloe and I? Karena I ini dia selalu menjadi subjek atau orang kedua jika subjeknya itu lebih dari satu. So, I selalu menjadi plural second subject. Plural nih kan, plural itu artinya lebih dari satu ya. Singular satu, plural lebih dari satu. Dan I ini selalu menjadi second subject di plural. Walaupun soalnya Miss tulis saya dan Retno, tetap harus jadi Retno and I. Nggak bisa Retno and me, nggak bisa me and Retno, nggak bisa. Chloe and I, you and I, my mom and I. Kayak gitu. Chloe and I, kayak to be-nya apa? To be-nya, kita pakai to be ya, tetap pakai to be sedang di sini. Karena lebih dari satu, it means we are using are. Karena lebih dari satu. Sedang, ini sudah sedang. Mencari lagi. Mencari itu bisa find, bisa search. Kita pakai find. Atau search juga boleh. Let's use search. Chloe and I are search. Pakai penambahan ing jangan lupa karena dia present continuous tense. Chloe and I are searching cincin ibu di dapur. Berarti mother's ring at the kitchen. Done. That's done for number 1. Now, can anyone help me to answer number 2? Ada yang mau bantu Miss jawab nomor 2? Anyone? Salah nggak apa-apa.
Saya, Miss.
Okay, Nuriski, go on.
They are listening music right now.
Right now, very good job. Kenapa? Karena kita listen itu mendengarkan. Kita tambah pemakaian ing. Pemakaian ing ini menyatakan kalau dia sedang terjadi sekarang ya. Kalau ing ini berarti intinya dia sedang terjadi sekarang. Nah, listening tambah ing. Terus jangan lupa to be-nya. They to be-nya are. Good job. Thank you, Nuriski. Next, number 3. Anyone help me, please?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, please answer me, Salma. Number 3.
We are closing.
Kayak gini? Kayak gini nggak?
You need to delete the E, right?
Okay, good job. You need to delete the E. Next.
Closing toko.
What is it?
Is it shop, I guess?
It could be shop, but in here, let's use store. I think it will be more matched, right? We are closing store, or we are closing the store, we are closing the shop. That's all right. That's the same thing, exactly. Thank you, Salma. Good job. Next, terakhir. Anyone help me, please? Anyone? Tadi Nuriski udah. That's okay. We made mistakes. It's alright. Can I have Celia Apridita to help me? You're smiling. I
Yes,
can see
miss.
you. Okay.
I am
I am. Are you sure?
instead. Kamu. You are
You are. You are.
being sad
You are being sad. Sekarang?
right now.
Right now. Ingat ya, kalian bisa pakai being atau kalian hapus beingnya juga nggak apa-apa. It's not a big deal. Because what? Because if you write you are sad gini aja, ini masih menyatakan kalau kalian sekarang sedang sedih. Terus tentang closing ini, jika kalimat verbnya itu belakangnya berarti kalian hilangkan e-nya, kalian masukkan ing. Ride jadi riding. Ride kan gini kan, R-I-D-E. Hilangkan e, masukkan ing. Drive, gini kan, hilangkan e, masukkan ing. Apa lagi kira-kira yang belakangnya e? Many more. Banyak lagi kan? Oke. That's about positive. Yang affirmative itu so easy. Moving on into negative. In a minute, let me move this. Oh, what happened? Okay. Now, let's talk about negative. Negative, like always, dibagi menjadi dua. Ada yang to be dan ada yang verb. Yang to be, tadi sama aja. I am, you are, they are, we are, she, he, it, sama is. Sekarang tapi sebelum kata sifatnya, kalian tambahkan not. Jadinya, for example, my mother is not angry. You are not being clingy to me. I am not hungry. You are not sad. Tinggal tambah not sebelum kata sifat. Itu untuk kata sifat ya, tinggal tambah not sebelum kata sifat. My mother is not hungry. You are not clingy to me. I am not thirsty. She is not tired. So easy. Tinggal tambah not aja. Sekarang yang verb. Yang untuk kata kerja, kalau di kalimat tersebut ada kata kerja. Kamu tidak sedang mengendarai mobil. Sama aja, you are driving tadi, sekarang kita tambahkan not sebelum kata kerjanya. Berarti intinya untuk bentuk negatifnya present continuous tense, you just have to add not sebelum kata sifat atau sebelum kata kerja. You are not angry. You are not driving a car. I am not buying something. Just like that. Paling gampang kayaknya bagian. Ingat ya, tambah not aja. Masih pakai verb ing semuanya. Nggak ada yang berubah, cuma pakai penambahan not saja. Not artinya tidak. Okay, let's try it. Because it's easy, kita langsung coba aja. Like always, I'm going to answer number 1, and then I'm gonna need your help to do the rest of the number. Saya tidak sedang menelpon ibu sekarang. I. To be-nya I am. Menelpon, calling. Nah, karena ini negatif, sebelum calling kita tambahkan not. I am not calling mother atau mom atau mommy. You can say everything you want. Mommy, mother, mom boleh. Sekarang now. Okay. Next, number 2. Anyone want help me? That's okay if you make mistake. 2 kali, 3 kali pun jawab, that's okay.
I am Miss.
Okay, Nuriski, please answer.
You are
You are
not
not
angry
angry.
right now.
Okay, you are not angry right now. Atau you can say at the moment, saat ini bisa juga. Right now juga bisa juga, karena dia menyatakan sekarang kan. That's right. Thank you, Nuriski.
Yes, Miss.
Next, number 3. Chloe tidak sedang makan bakso. Help me, please.
Celia, Miss.
Celia, please, go on.
Chloe
Chloe
is not
is not
eating meatball.
meatball. Meat itu daging, ball itu bola, jadinya bakso, okay? Chloe is not eating meatball. Good job, Celia. Thank you. Terakhir, last but not least, paling terakhir nih. Anyone help me, please? Nih, karena Ibu Cecil, nggak ada Cecil, kita ganti aja di Celia. Ibu Celia. Oke. Ada yang mau bantu? Ada yang mau bantu jawab? If no one's gonna ask me, if no one's gonna help, then I'm going to ask. Nggak ada yang bantuin, misalnya nanti ya. Okay, let me ask. Can you hear me? Rani, are you there? Rani, are you went somewhere? Are you there?
Yes.
Can you help me answering number 4? That's okay, Salah.
Or I'm trying.
Okay.
Celia's mom
Celia's mom
is not
is
trying
not
to go
trying
to go
to
out.
go.
Go out.
Good job. Celia's mom is not trying to go out. Good job. Thank you, Rani.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. Nah, itu untuk yang negatif. Gampang. Kalian tinggal tambah not aja nih di semuanya tuh. See? It's just all about not. Nggak usah lagi dipikirin apa yang berubah. Nggak ada lagi yang berubah. Cuma not aja. Jangan sampai kesusahan. Tuh, not. Next. Sedikit lagi. Now, let's try an interrogative. Kalimat bertanya. Nah, like always, terbagi lagi menjadi dua. Ada yang to be, ada yang verb. Sekarang, kita bahas yang to be dulu. Kalau kita ingin bertanya, kalau tadi kan kita subjeknya dulu kan, baru to be, contoh my mother is, atau I am, atau you are. Sekarang kebalikannya, sekarang to be-nya dulu baru subjek. Berarti, are you, is my mother, are we, are they, is she, is he. Kayak gitu. Is Celia, is Nuriski. Pakai is dulu, pakai to be-nya dulu, baru subjeknya, baru orangnya. Apakah ibu saya marah? Is my mother angry? Are you being clingy to me? Apa kamu nempel terus sama saya? Nah, are you being clingy to me? Nah, gampang. Berarti to be-nya dulu. Nah, sekarang yang verb lagi. To be, kita lihat rumusnya ini di sebelah kanan, yang atas. To be, subject, verb, ing, sama object. To be-nya dulu seperti biasa. Subjeknya dulu, abis to be subject, lalu verb 1 ing, seperti biasa. Apakah kamu sedang mengendarai mobil? Berarti kita lihat, subjeknya kamu, otomatis to be-nya are. Are you driving a car? So easy. Coba misalnya, kita mau pakai 5W1H nih sekarang. 5W1H itu apa aja, Miss? 5W1H itu ada why, where, what, who, when, apa lagi? Why, Miss tulis deh biar kita nggak kesusahan ya. Why? Artinya kenapa, what, apa, where, di mana, when, kapan, also who, satu lagi how. Nah, jika kalian mau pakai 5W1H, why, what, where, when, who, how, tetap pakai di depannya, lanjut di to be. Contoh, for example, where artinya di mana kan? Di mana, kita buat bahasa Indonesianya ya, di mana kamu sedang menelpon sekarang, berarti dia sedang nelpon nih sekarang. Lagi di mana dia nelponnya? Berarti kita pakai where. Nggak usah kamu ya, kamu terus. Dia perempuan deh. Nah, where. Karena to be-nya, karena subjeknya dia perempuan, otomatis to be-nya is. Subjeknya she, sedang menelpon. Sedang nih nggak usah dipeduliin. Sedang ini ing, oke? Menelpon call, masukkan sedang. Nah, sekarang now. Where is she calling now? Di mana dia sedang menelpon sekarang? So easy. Oke. Kita coba lagi. Let's try it. Like always, I'm going to answer number 1. Apakah kamu sedang menunggu Patrick? Kamu. Berarti to be-nya are. You. Menunggu, wait. Sedang tambah ing. Waiting. Patrick, Patrick. Are you waiting, Patrick? Atau are you waiting for Patrick? Boleh. Ini lebih cocok ya untuk pemakaian waiting. Untuk waiting, kita yang cocok itu menggunakan preposition for. Kalau talking, kalau berbicara, prepositionnya yang cocok itu to. I'm talking to you. Gitu, namanya preposition. Next, number 2. Anyone can help me? Siapa yang sedang pergi ke pasar sekarang? I'm going to see if someone's here. Jasmine, are you here? You're not? I think Jasmine went somewhere. That's all right. Shelia, please help answer number 2. Shelia be like, always me, always me. Okay, Shelia, go.
Who is
Who is
going
Who
to
is
the market now?
to the market now? Good job. Siapa yang pergi ke pasar sekarang? Nomor 3 lagi, Miss juga nomor 3 ya. Apakah Ibu Cecil mengambil handphonemu? Berarti Ibu Cecil itu perempuan. Nah, berarti kita pakainya is. Is Mrs. Tadi Cecil mom boleh. Di sini Ibu Cecil maksud Miss itu nama orang ya. Berarti is Mrs. Cecil mengambil take. Belakangnya any. Nah, berarti taking. Bentar ya, Miss lupa taruh sedang ya di sini. Okay. Is Mrs. Cecil taking your phone atau your handphone atau your cell phone? Orang barat, Western, let's say Western atau native, they don't really say handphone. No, they don't say this. They say phone atau cell phone. They use cell phone or phone. They don't really say, where's your handphone? No. Jadi let's use, is Mrs. Cecil, okay, is Mrs. Cecil taking your phone? Apakah Ibu Cecil sudah mengambil handphonemu? Okay. Terakhir nomor 4, bantuin. Anyone?
Me.
Okay, please, Sabrina.
Are you talking to me?
Okay, are you talking to me? Nah, di atas nih udah Miss bahas kan, talking pakai preposition to. Berarti, are you talking to me? Good job. Kenapa pakai me, Sabrina? Kenapa nggak I di sini? Tahu nggak? Because
Me as an object.
Good job, because me di sini as an object, bukan subject. Object berarti yang menerima perlakuan tersebut, ya kan?
Miss,
Kalau
I have a
subject,
question.
oh, you have a question? Yes, please.
Can we use with?
With? Are you talking with me? We can, but as in, you can say as a grammatically correct, you want to use to. Because these days, people use anything to speak English as long as they understand, kan? Kita pakai apa aja selagi kita paham. And these days, people use with juga banyak. That's right. Tapi with grammatically correct, you can use talking to me.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, no problem. Good questions, Sabrina. Okay, itu dia positif, interrogative. Berarti kita sudah bahas yang positive, negative, and interrogative, right? Okay, now video section. I will play a video. Ini penggunaan present continuous. Jadi kalian bisa lihat, oh gini loh cara penggunaannya di kehidupan sehari-hari. Bentar aja, kita tonton dulu ya. Can you look at my screen? Bisa dilihat nggak screen, Miss? Ada tulisan follow us.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
I'm gonna play it. Suaranya kedengaran barusan? Coba ya, Miss, ulang sekali lagi. Dengar nggak suara videonya?
No.
Kedengaran?
No.
No, Miss.
No? You cannot hear the audio?
Oh, Miss.
No, Miss.
Really?
No,
Seriously?
we can hear the audio.
You cannot hear the audio? Okay, wait. I don't know what happened, but I think it should be working. You still cannot hear?
No.
Okay, that's all right. Let me cover this because you cannot hear it. I think something happened, but it's not going to stop us. Kita itu nggak berhentiin kita untuk belajar. Let me read it, and you're just going to see it. Okay? What are you doing? It is 11 a.m. now. It is 11 a.m. sekarang. Ini jam 11 sekarang. The daughter goes to university and lives far away her family. She calls to her mother. Dia nelpon ibunya. Okay. Ibunya lagi masak dish. She's cooking. Hi, daughter. Mommy, what are you doing now? Present continuous tense. What are you doing now? I am cooking lunch in the kitchen right now. What is Daddy doing now? He is watching soccer on television. What is Grandmother doing now? She is watering the tree. What is Grandfather doing now? He is reading newspaper and magazines. What is Tommy doing now? He is playing game himself. And you, my daughter, what are you doing at the present? Atau at the moment juga boleh. Sama, same thing. I'm having lunch, Mommy. Too soon. What are you eating now? Let's see. What are you eating now? Berarti dia menggunakan 5W1H yang barusan kita pelajarin, right? What are you eating now? Only meat and vegetables, Mommy. Okay. Cara bacanya vegetables ya, bukan vegetable. Okay? Vegetables. We cannot hear the audio, that's okay. Yang penting kalian tahu cara penggunaannya dalam sehari-hari. You can ask someone, kalau misalnya nanya dia lagi ngapain, lagi menjawab sekarang lagi ngapain, menggunakan ini. I'm going to close this. You hear me, right? Dengar kan suara Miss tadi?
Yes, Miss.
Miss.
Dengar nggak suara Miss tadi?
Yes, Miss.
You hear it? Can someone answer me? Guys, do you hear me?
Yes, Miss. We heard.
I can hear your voice.
Do you hear me right now? Why is no one responding? You cannot hear me? What happened? Wait a minute, something's happened. No one's responding to me. You cannot hear me? Guys, you cannot hear me?
No,
I
we
can
can
hear
hear
you.
you, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
I'm going to text because no one's responding to me. I don't think you hear me now.
I hear
I can
you,
hear
Miss.
you, Miss. Oh, yes, Miss, you cannot hear us. I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you at all. I cannot hear anyone. I don't know what happened. Yes, Miss, you cannot hear us. We cannot hear you, Miss. Okay, that's all right. Yang penting kalian dengar Miss kan? Okay. If you cannot hear me, please let me know, okay? So I'm going to do something. Miss, tadi putar video ya, Miss? Yes, I am. It's too late, Rivaldo. That's all right. Okay, now moving on. Sekarang kita bahas ke contoh soal. If you cannot hear me, that's okay. But I can hear. Yang penting kalian dengar, Miss. Suaranya itu Miss di on off dulu. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know that, but thank you for telling me. Nanti bisa dengar, Miss. Are you perhaps mute the audio, Miss? I don't mute the audio, but you can hear me now, right? But you can hear me now, right? Even I cannot hear you. Okay, just continue. Good job. Thank you. Now, kita juga bentar lagi selesai kok, so that's okay, don't worry. Contoh soal, jika kalian nanti ujian, you guys might confused because how to do it in questions dalam examination. So this is going to be the example of how soal-soal tentang present continuous bakal ada nanti di ujian. Jadi kalian nggak kebingungan, oke? It is now 11 p.m. Iriana, blah blah blah, sleeping in her bedroom. Like I told you, kita pakai to be, ya kan? Berarti jawabannya otomatis A. Kenapa? Karena Iriana ini a girl atau a boy, we don't know, but it's a name. Tapi dia nama, jadi kita pakai she, it. Next, I need an umbrella because it's blah blah blah. Because it's yang mana? Rains, it's raining atau rain? Jawabannya raining, karena sekarang berarti kita pakai penambahan ing. Next, number 3, Susan and Susanna, blah blah blah, writing poems for an English subject. Susan dan Susanna sedang menulis puisi untuk pelajaran English. Berarti kita pakai is atau are? Kita pakai are, karena lebih dari satu subjeknya. Jadi kita pakai are. It's very sad that I cannot hear your voice, but that's okay. Number 4, please be quiet. I in the blank, blah, 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 trying to concentrate. Tolong diam, saya sedang mencoba untuk berkonsentrasi. I to be-nya am, berarti I am. See? It's so easy to answer. Number 5, what, blah, 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 you, blah, blah, blah. Karena dia you, otomatis to be-nya are. Lalu, kita pakai pemakaian ing, berarti what are you doing? Nah, untuk soal present continuous, kira-kira itu yang bakal keluar di ujian. Berarti kalian hanya harus hafalkan penggunaan ing dan juga to be. Kalau subjeknya ini, to be-nya ini loh. Kalau subjeknya ini, to be-nya ini. Subjek itu, to be-nya itu. Gampang. Just like that. Lagi kita selesai nih. Summary dulu. Summary. Berarti summary dari hari ini, present continuous terbagi menjadi dua. Ada yang ke verb, ada yang to be. Kalau yang verb, kita pakai verb 1 dan ing. Eating, drinking, walking, singing. Kalau yang ada kata sifat, berarti kita pakai kata sifat, lalu sebelumnya to be, seperti biasa. Atau kita bisa pakai being. You are being mad. You are being sad. Just like that. Gampang. Untuk bertanya, untuk kalimat bertanya, to be-nya dulu baru subjek. Are you waiting for me? Are you crying? Untuk negatifnya, verb dan to be kalian tinggal tambah not aja. Miss Ray mengambil kelas Prancis semester ini. Miss Ray is taking French class this semester. Semester ini kan berarti sedang dikerjain kan? Nah, Miss Ray is taking. Negatifnya Miss Ray isn't taking. Interrogatifnya, is Miss Ray taking? What-nya? What is Miss Ray taking this semester? Terakhir, contoh terakhir. Harry Styles sedang bernyanyi di atas panggung sekarang. Berarti positifnya Harry Styles is singing. Kita pakai to be is. On the stage right now. Negatifnya Harry Styles isn't singing on the stage right now. Pertanyaannya, is Harry Styles singing on the stage right now? Who is singing on the stage right now untuk interrogatifnya? That's it. Before I close today's lesson, is there anyone have a question? Kalian bisa type aja. Kalau nggak ada, you can say no questions biar Miss tahu. Jangan diam aja ya. Anyone, please comment anything. You can, if you don't have question, you can type no questions because I cannot hear you karena Miss nggak dengar kan? Nggak dengar kalian ketik aja. Kalau ada pertanyaan bilang. Okay, from Sabrina, no questions. From Celia, no questions. From Salma, no questions. Good job, it means you understand. Ada lagi? Cory, no questions. Okay, good job. Rivaldo, no questions. Rani, no questions. Novita, no questions. Okay, I'm so happy to hear that. Ada lagi? Jasmine, no question. Okay, that's it. Okay, because there's no questions, let me wrap this up. Kita tutup. Minggu depan kita bahas tentang tenses terakhir dari 5 tenses yang akan kita pelajari, yaitu present future tense. Dan after this, I will give you assignments. Kalian kerjain, deadline-nya nanti Miss taruh di Google Classroom, kapan kalian harus kumpulin. Please make sure to submit it, because last time not everyone submit the task, but that's okay. That's all that I can deliver for today. Thank you so much for attending my class. You can leave the meeting and do not forget to do your assignments. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. You can leave the meeting. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.